swear, to those who have nothing better to do with their lives than to talk about our business, talk BS about our business, I better not see you in person. Why don't you get your own life? See, I struggled back then, but once I found out about feetfinder.com, it was a game changer for me. So I started off as a part-time feet content creator just to check out if it was legit or not. And like when I got my first paycheck, that's when I realized it was not a joke. I was so surprised because I didn't know that it would turn out that way, to be honest. Was the process easy? Yes. But posting photos isn't enough. I consider FeetFinder a decent job and I am the boss, okay? So I also did my research. I studied my top competitors' top rated photos and replicated them. I invest in feet care products to make sure that my feet look picture perfect. Then little by little, as time went by, I got a lot of customized orders already. They want to have a picture of my feet wearing socks, wearing heels, getting my toes painted, different colors. It's been great. I always ensure quality photos. It's not just a quick cash scheme. You have to work for it because it is a business. It's a job and it's a legit site, so you have to work your way up. I have seen many competitors online doing all of these shady, too good to be true offers. Cut the crap. Those are not real. Real money works when you work hard for it. Now that I am earning decently, not worrying anymore about extra cash, I took the risk of quitting my 9-to-5 and focused on being a full-time feet content creator. And so here I am. I'm on my own time. I am the boss. I am not pressured and I get to enjoy what I am doing. If you're looking to buy or sell feet content online, it's important to be very wary of your competitors and scams. The market for feet content has grown in the recent years, and with that growth comes in an increase of competition and fraudulent activity. FeetFinder.com is the real deal, unlike other shady sites out there. So to all the haters out there, I'm making a decent living doing what I love. What about you? So on one particular website, one common scam involves a seller claiming to have exclusive or rare foot content that they're willing to sell for a higher price. They may even provide samples or previews of the content to entice the buyers. However, once the buyer purchases the content, they never receive it. It's important to be cautious when dealing with sellers who claim to have exclusive or rare content. And always do your research before making a purchase, always. But at FeetFinder.com, you are sure that you are 100% protected. It is a #1 priority of the company to protect the seller and the buyer at all costs. Another scam involves sellers stealing content from other creators and selling it as their own. This not only harms the original creator, but also puts buyers at risk for purchasing stolen content. Always verify the authenticity of the content you're purchasing, and only buy from reputable sellers. This scam paradigm can never happen on FeetFinder.com because a seller's content is blurred out with a watermark and payment has not been made from the buyer. FeetFinder has strategically studied all of these possible scamming modus operandi. That's why they are the most secure website when it comes to buying and selling content. Another red flag that you should think about is that there are competitors in the feet market. Some may try to undercut prices or steal customers by offering similar content for a lower price. While competition is healthy in any market, it's important to make sure that you're not being taken advantage of or that you're being tricked into buying lower quality content. FeetFinder.com only accepts high quality images because they want to maintain their branding, that they have the best quality photos offered by verified unqualified buyers. To avoid falling victim to the scams or being taken advantage of by the competitors, it's important to research before making any purchases or entering into any business partnerships. Look for reviews from other buyers and sellers, and always verify the authenticity of the content you're purchasing. By taking these steps, you can protect yourself and your business from scams and competition in the feet market. We posted a legitimacy video on our channel, which you can check out, and I will also put the link in the description below. It's just so sad and disappointing to hear that we verified feet buyers who would hear all this nonsense from people who have nothing else to do but scam people. It's just so annoying. Lucky me, because I know I am in a safe place to be. So if you guys are looking for a side hustle, comment down below and I will teach you how to be a full-time feet content creator and live a stress-free life, not worrying about getting scammed or not, because feetfinder.com is the most trusted and safest and securest website when it comes to feet buying and selling content. So come and join me in my Feet Finder journey and you will never be scammed. Let your feet explore.